Hey you guys, this is Coach Ben with Give and Grow, here with another Give and Grow breathwork for you guys today. If you're new to these videos, this is where we combine the power of music with the power of breathwork to boost our mind, to open our hearts, to help us manage our emotions, especially stress, anger, sadness, fear, right? And also to just feel good right here, right now, inside our bodies. The theme of today's breathwork is confidence. So I have a song queued up with lyrics that are going to help boost our mental, boost our confidence, boost our belief in ourselves. Because really, that's what confidence is, right? Like, I believe in myself, or I believe in my team, I believe in my class, right? We can have confidence in ourselves and others, and this breathwork is going to help us do that. So we have What I Am by the Sesame Street Crew featuring Will I Am today for our song. Go ahead and make yourself comfortable. This song is short and sweet, but definitely going to help you get into that confident space. Let's go ahead. Close your eyes. Breathe in when I say in, out when I say out, and let's flow.
If what I am is what's in me, then I'll stay strong, that's who I'll be.
Go ahead and breathe
and
out.
I will always be the best me that I can be. There's only one me, I admit. Have a dream, I'll follow it. It's up to me to try.
In.
I'ma keep my head up high, keep on reaching high. Never gonna quit, I'll keep getting stronger.
In.
And nothing's gonna bring me down. Never gonna stop, gotta go.
Out.
Because I know I'll keep getting stronger.
In.
And what I am is and what I am is
Out.
and what I am is smart. And what I am is
In.
and what I am is and what I am is there's nothing I can't achieve because in myself I believe in. Gonna keep our heads up high, keep on reaching high. Never gonna quit, just keep getting stronger. And nothing's gonna bring us down. Never giving up, gotta go. Because I know I'll keep getting stronger. What I am is what I am is what I am is what I am is what you are is what you are is. There's nothing I can't achieve because of myself I believe in. Gonna hold my head up high, keep on reaching high. I'm never gonna stop, I'll keep getting stronger. Nothing's gonna bring me down. Never give it up, gotta go. Yeah, I'll keep getting stronger.
Last breath all the way in. Fill up your belly, fill up your chest. One more sip in the air through your mouth. Hold it. Hold here for as long as you like. Noticing how you feel in your body. Just remembering those lyrics. I'm going to keep my head up high. I'll keep getting stronger. I believe in myself. Let those feelings, let those thoughts just like sink into your body. I believe in myself. I'm going to keep my head up high. I'll keep getting stronger. Those are some powerful words to boost our confidence no matter what's going on. Whether we lose a game, whether we fail a test, whether we don't show up as the best friend or best brother or sister that we can be, we'll keep our head up high. We'll keep on getting stronger. I believe in myself, right? Use those powers, use those tools, use those words to boost your confidence when you need it, to boost your confidence on the day-to-day. All right, this is our encouragement to you. We really appreciate you watching this video. Let us know in the comments how you're feeling. Let us hit a like if you like this video. Subscribe so you stay in tune with all the videos that we're releasing in the future. And you already know, it's time to grow. We'll see you in the next video. Much love.